Got another package. Oh yeah! Got rid of my personal information so nobody can track where I live. Now I'm to open this box. Okay, time for the final reveal! Oh my god, it's Bowser! Oh my god! Well, now we don't need this box. Nice shot! Now time to open this dude. Wow, that was quicker than I expected. Nah, there's always a catch. Oh my god. It's Bowser! Oh my god, this is so sick. Holy, here's the tag. Number 10. Wow. He's so cool. Hey guys, it's me, Bowser, the new version. Wow, that's so cool. This guy looks so sick. Like, look at him. Oh wow, he's so beautiful. I'm gonna cry. Look at that man. I'm now gonna do a side-by-side version of this Bowser with my old Bowser. So, here's a side-by-side comparison with the two Bowsers. This Bowser looks angrier, like, yeah, he's gonna end your life. This guy, he's derpy. He just wants a friend. I'm lonely. Shut the hell up, me. How dare you? And, I just really love this plush overall. And, the shells, they look different. Like these, the things here, they're smaller. Here, it's like bigger. And this one, with all of the things like the spikes and such, this one is more yellower. This one is a little more wider, but it still has a little yellow in it with the colors. And as you can see, this is the tush tag. It's really small because it's from Japan. This one, it still has a remnant of the tag, like the tush tag. Where is it? Whatever, I'll try to find it later. But now, let's go on the other side-by-side comparisons with Bowser and his kids, and Kamek. So let's go to that one right now. Here's a side-by-side comparison with Bowser Jr. As you can see, they have the same color palette, and yeah, that's pretty cool. Looks cute. They have the same shells, and the hair is also kind of the same. Bowser doesn't have a bib, but Bowser Jr. does. Here's Larry, nothing much to say. Blue shell, teeth, and the same like things on their hands. Iggy, they also have the same embroidery on their hands. Green shell, and that's all I have to say. Now the last one is Kamek. As you can see, they're not really similar. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Do it for Bowser. Yeah, you should totally like and subscribe, guys, if you want to see more of these videos of unboxing. So, see you later, guys. Bye-bye.